So just now we have completed projectile concept, curvilinear motion, which is also known as curvilinear motion. We have seen some problems. Ultimately, what we have to find out in curvilinear motion is we have to find out the horizontal range, and we have to find out the time of flight, and we have to find out the maximum time taken to reach the maximum height, and we have to find out the maximum height. These are the things, and if we remember the formula, then it is very easy to find out the things. Because there will be a data in the question, and we have to substitute the data in the formula, then you will get the answer. Like we see in the first problem, a particle is projectile at an angle of 60 degrees. It means the body is projected with 60 degrees angle. That is nothing but the 60 degrees is the angle of projection with the horizontal range of the particle is 5 kilometers, and find the velocity of projection and maximum height attained by the particle. So the question, we have to find out the velocity, and we have to find out the maximum height. So solution: data given r is equal to 5 kilometers. We have to convert the kilometers into meters. That is nothing but 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 5000 meters. Gravity is equal to 9.81 meter per second square, and alpha is equal to 60 degrees, and we have to find out u and h max. So we know that r is equal to u square sin 2 alpha by g. So substituting the known values in equation 1, so substitute the given equations, then you will find u is equal to 237.98, because we know horizontal range 5 kilometers, and we know the alpha, we know g. So in the whole equation, we know r, we know alpha, we know g, we don't know u. So it is easy to find out now. So the u is nothing but 237.98 meter per second. So maximum height attained by the particle, the formula for h max is equal to u square sin alpha by 2g. So that is nothing but 237.98 whole square sin square 60 by something. You have to substitute all the values. So and finally the maximum height reached by the projectile is 2164.9 meters. That's it. That's simple. So we have to find out the values. For finding the values, we must remember the equations or formulas, whatever it called. Okay, we'll see the next problem probably. So a particle is projected in air with a velocity of 100 meter per second at an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal. Find the horizontal range, maximum height attained, and the time of flight, etc., etc. So given u is equal to given 100 meter per second, g is equal to 9.8, alpha is equal to 30 degrees, and we have to find the r, t, and h max. So substitute, there are formula for r, h max, and t. We know the equations. Substitute all the given values. The answer will be there. Okay, I will share this PPT. In this PPT there are some more problems are there. So I will share the PPT with all the students, and you go through the PPT, and you go through some problems from textbooks also. So if you have any doubt regarding any point, it's very easy to understand actually. If you have any doubts, ask me and call me, or personally message me. I will be there. I will be at your disposal all the time. Okay, I'm very happy to share the knowledge with you, and that's my duty. Okay, we'll meet in the next video with the next concept. So from this topic, with this topic we have completed kinematics. So kinematics, only motion. Till this topic we only discussed the velocity, displacement, acceleration, time, etc. We did not discuss any force. So now in the next video I am preparing the video for kinetics. In kinetics we deal with the both motion and forces. So soon we'll meet in the next video. Thank you for your attention, and listen carefully, put all the efforts to understand the concepts. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Bye.